And here we are on a Saturday. Hello, folks. I am Tom Kravicka. And suddenly, there seems to be a lot going on here in the Weather Center. Let's check out the tower cam. So we've got the Alexander view from Sinlar Broadcasting on Texas Street. Mostly cloudy sky. We did see some sun today, but it was still mixing with clouds. Let's go down to Stilly's in LeBeau in northeast St. Landry, where we can meet, eat, and greet all at the same time. And we're seeing some clouds in that direction as well. Natchitoches on the other side of central Louisiana. Back up to the northwest, we see a mostly cloudy sky in that direction. But so far, little or no rain is falling at this particular time. But we got the radar tuned in. We see a little area of showers and rain across east and southeast Texas. Some of that's moving toward the northeast just a bit. A little bit of it has kind of bled into, look like Sabine Parish there. So let me put this into motion where we can see some light rain across Toledo Bend into Sabine Parish, coming in from the southwest. I think this is about all that's going to happen with this. I don't look for that to become widespread or become stormy or anything for central Louisiana for the remainder of Sinlaw overnight, but we'll have a chance of some rain on Sunday and beyond. Satellite and radar showing a little bit of energy coming in right there, but look at this big trough taking shape out west, that big next weather maker that will bring us a chance of rain early part of next week. Okay, let's go beyond this and check out some things elsewhere for the local scan here. I've got to kind of step you through the rest of the weekend and starting your new work and school week. By Sunday morning, church time, middle of some morning, still a chance of rain. So there's already a chance of rain. It'll be hit and miss though, but notice that it kind of percolates off and on, hit and miss throughout the day on Sunday, but there'll be a preference from west to east with higher rainfall coverage, and then working on into the Monday time frame, Monday morning, back to work and school for your commute. Don't see any problems with rain or storms at that particular time. But as we get into Monday, it gets warmer during the afternoon. We will start to see some showers and some thunderstorms developing there on the day Monday. And one of the new things I've got for you is Storm Prediction Center is now putting out a marginal risk. That's a level 1 out of a 1 to 5 category slot there for there. So that means that we can't rule out a couple of severe storms or a severe storm over in that direction. So some wind and hail could be possible for some of our western areas. So we'll keep an eye on that for you. And then as we head into the Sunday rainfall pattern, here are the numbers that kind of go with what I said with the higher threat being west, lower to the east of us. So Jonesville, Vidalia, Avoyelles Parish, and St. Landry, I've got about 20% heading westward. You see there's an increase to scattered there right in the middle of Sinlaw, and then hit and miss taking us out and toward the DeRidder and Leesville, but higher percentage, about 50%, 60%, maybe a little sweet spot there for Manny, Natchitoches, and go back to 50% there into Winfield and Wynn Parish. With that, less than an inch, but 1 to 2 inches will be possible. And once again, with that second main system that I showed you out west, we will see a severe weather outlook for the Monday night, and Tuesday morning time frame. Once again, it's for the western parishes, and the threat is level 1 out of 5, which means it is marginal. But we'll keep our eyes on that because, certainly that stuff does change. And another new thing for us today is Tropical Storm Patty. We've kind of been watching this area. It's a 65-mile-per-hour tropical storm heading to the east. They'll turn a little bit to the east-northeast and make a landfall probably somewhere on the north coast of Spain, northwest coast of Spain, or Portugal in that direction. So let those folks have that little tropical storm, I suppose. But back closer to home, we're still carrying that 10% area north of Hispaniola. We're also got the chances up to 80% now in the Caribbean with that particular system, and a plane will go out and investigate that tomorrow. There's already a surface low taking shape there, and we're already running models on that. That is designated AL97. Unfortunately, we don't have many other models, but I have seen other models, and it's pretty well sprinkled out across the Gulf of Mexico in about 5 days. So this is just one model's opinion. There are other models that are north and east of this. There are other models that are west and north of this. So yeah, you kind of get the idea. Maybe we'll have more models for you tomorrow, but that is certainly something for us to watch. Likely getting into the Gulf of Mexico there. So Sunday, We got 40% for an average coverage across the area. I outlined that parish by parish, but 30% there for Monday. And by Tuesday, as we see some showers and thunderstorms increasing in time for Election Day, folks, that's the best chance of rain. Scattered showers and a few thunderstorms will be lingering on Wednesday as that Tuesday system kind of plays out, and we'll see a little front lingering in the area. And by Wednesday, we'll start watching the Gulf of Mexico, because whatever's in the Caribbean now is going to be moving northward and northwestward, and we'll get in the Gulf if it can by that time. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, I chose to keep rain chances in the forecast there on the low end. We'll see a warmer day Thursday, but then back to a little bit of a downturn in temperatures there for next Friday and Saturday. And some folks are asking, where's the cold air or where's the chill? Don't see it in this particular forecast, but there will be certainly some cold air not too far to the west of us in the southern plains and Rockies. They're going to have freezes out of this next front, this next outbreak of cold air that I showed you coming into the west coast there. They're going to have some pretty chilly temperature readings. It depends on how much of that gets here. But for now, I don't see too much of it for the next week. Afterwards, yeah, maybe we'll get some. Stay with us. Nick Mickels will be with you in the morning. I'll be in the forecast center. Take care and have a blessed Sunday.